Well, it's one more step toward the Midland Police Department and the Sheriff's Office working together, all to make sure mental health help is available to everyone. But they need your help first. NewsWest 9's Rachel Ripp explains.
Crystal, this morning the commissioners approved what's called a Memorandum of Understanding. It comes down to an agreement between the police department and the Sheriff's Office to work with each other as part of a mental health task force.
This task force also includes local treatment centers and hospitals, all with a goal of getting citizens the care they need.
We have a lot of citizens that may be in a mental health crisis, so we want to get them the help and treatment that they need without going to jail, keep them out of the criminal justice system.
Today marks the beginning of an agreement between the two that will try their best to reinstitute a mental health task force after 2 years when MPD had to drop out of the force. Law enforcement officers say they think reinstituting this program will benefit more than just the mental health victims.
We don't want them to hurt themselves or other citizens, their family members. So that's our main objective, is to get to them before that happens.
This isn't the first time the agencies have teamed up. The new task force comes 2 years after MPD had to drop out of the force because they didn't have enough people. It's a problem they still face today, being understaffed by 34 officers. Yet city officials told us Chief Herman is going to try to assign at least one officer to the force. The Sheriff's Department has 6 task force officers assigned to the force.
Only time will tell how long it takes for the task force to be fully operable. The first priority is getting MPD officers hired. Then it has to be approved by City Council before it's a fully operable task force. Crystal?
Sheriff Gillette says these mental health task force officers are certified mental health officers. They have mental health training, and they've taken classes with the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement Education. If you would like to become a police officer, just contact Sergeant Jimmy Young at the Midland Police Department.